What up, fools? Winslade88 coming back out here. Yeah, we're going to bust one box open here. What the hell? This will probably go up Tuesday, but we got one box of 2011 Press Pass Premium. So, yeah, let's get it busting. This is one of the two boxes I got off of eBay, so we'll see what luck we got here. Ooh, 3D. Hey, hey, I look like I'm on crack. Alright. 20 packs. We got one Autografia E1 Memorabilia. So, and hey, we got a checklist in here. So, well, you know what? Let's find out what we get. Good luck to me. First pack, Happy Harvick, Kyle Busch, GoDaddy Car, Mark Viagra Barden, Matt Kenseth, and Kurt Busch. So we got the bitchy whiny pack out of the way. Next pack, I see a junior on the back. Very good omen. Okay, and we've got Greg Biffle, Jeff Burton, insert thingamajig of Happy Harvick, Tony Stewart, and Dale Earnhardt Junebug. Yep. So, one junior down. I don't know how many to go. And next pack, I see a whiny Harvick, Denny Hamlin, Crystal Ball, Jimmy Johnson. I will predict you will not win the title. Was I right on that? Paul Menard and Happy Harvick. So, and Thin Decoy. And me knocking over the camera for the second time. I'm more of a fail than I don't know who. We got Jamie McMurray, Clint Boyer, Jimmy Johnson, Brian I'll Wreck Everyone Vickers, and a Matt Kenseth. I'm a little out of practice on the packs here. Man, I'm hitting Stewart cards left and right. Robbie I'll Wreck Everyone Gordon. Ooh, yes. Trevor, you're so vain. Boo-ha. 500 Club. Very nice. Ooh, Danica, Heart Pursuit. I'll tap that. And we got Gecko and Tony Stewart. Crow to the Brick so far. I'll tap that. And now not just with my car. Okay, we got Denny Hamlin, Jeff Gordon, Mark Barden, Truex and Hamlin, base. Okay, we got Kurt Busch car, Juan Pablo, Casey Mears, Carl Edwards, and Carl Edwards. That pack just splintered off at the seams. And we got a bunch of base. Kyle Busch, Kurt Busch, Casey Kane, Travis Clawful, and Dale Jr. So, another decoy coming up. And we got our auto. Alright, we got Jeff Gordon, David Gilliland, and, David Rudiman. And which is numbered 41 out of 178. Could have been better on the auto. Oh well. Jimmy Johnson and Happy Harvick. So, that's the auto of the box. So, let's hope the fire suit card or whatever memorabilia I get is good. And we got, this is a foilish deal on the Jeff Burton. Not sure what's up with that. So, And then Junior and some base. David Gilliland. Ooh, rookie. Trevor, you're so vain. Alright. Well, hey, we got at least a good rookie there. Trevor Vain. Yes, Mr. Vain. And Dale Jr. Carr. Danica. And Jimmy Johnson, Jeff Burton, Brad Keselowski, Brian Vickers. I think we got 7-8 packs left. Still got to hit the fire suit somewhere in here. This isn't it either. Happy Harvick, Kurt Busch, Hart Pursuit, Kyle I'm a Crybaby Busch, Brian Vickers, and Jamie McMurray Carr. And another decoy. We got Hot Pursuit, Carl Edwards, insert, Jeff Burton, JJ Yaley. Well, not that many packs left here, so gotta eventually hit the other hit in here. Joey Logano, Bill Elliott, class of 2011, David Pearson, not numbered, I'm not sure if that's any type of short print. Preseason Thunder, Trevor Vain. So that ain't bad. Down to the last 6 packs. Marcus Ambrose, bunch of base. This one feels a little thicker. Nope. I can't even pack search my own hits. My own box. I'm a fail on life. Marcus Ambrose. Ooh, Crystal LSD card. Tony Stewart. Crystal Ball. I'll predict he wins the title. Let me know if I'm right on that, gentlemen. Okay, and wasn't there some sort of 3D card I'm supposed to get in every box? So, alright, we're down to 3 packs. I found the fire suit card. It's that one. So we'll save that for last. I could just tell on the thickness. Regan Smith, Kyle Busch, Biffle, Michael Waltrip, Jamie McMurray. That old fat guy Waltrip, I thought he was dead. H.A. Allmendinger, Ryan Newman, Hot Pursuit, Happy Harvick, and a Jeff Gordon and a whack Kyle Busch. And the last pack, it's a 50. Let's see. We got Carl Edwards, Trevor, you're so vain. Oh, yes. That's a nice one. Trevor, you're so vain. Suit up. Dale Jr. I thought this felt a little thicky. And we got another Tony Stewart, which is fitting, and a Dale Jr. because we got a double burner. Look at that fire suit piece right there. That is fucking filthy. It's a 3-color fire suit patch and a race-used tire of Senor Tony Stewart, numbered 13 out of 25. So, hey, Denny, I hit your PC. Nice race-used tire, freaking nasty fire suit. So that actually was a fairly decent box. That was for 35 bucks. So, you know what? I cannot bitch with that Stewart hit. So, yeah, oh yeah, guys, if any of you guys want any base of your favorite driver, just let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching, and this will go up Tuesday, and peace.